for your face to see, waiting for you to glimpse at.
Broadcasting live from down at the Gospel Explosion. Coming up soon, gonna be the 5 blind boys from Alabama. Hey, used to be 6 of them, but one of them got healed. He's the driver now, and they need him, because, well, they kept hitchhiking the wrong way.
Excuse me. Which choir are you with?
The Beulah Baptist Gospel Choir, Monte Carlo, Georgia.
Gotcha. You'll be coming on soon.
Pauline, some of these choirs are pretty big.